In the lively city of Tainan, there was a curious girl named Mei-Ling. One sunny day, Mei-Ling decided to explore a place she had read one magazine report about, 321 Alley Art Village, just a short walk from the bustling bus station. As she stepped into the alley, it was like entering a different world. The noise of the city faded, and all around her were old houses with beautiful gardens. Mei-Ling felt as if the buildings themselves had stories to tell. With a sparkle in her eye, she imagined the past coming to life. Long ago, she began, this place was home to brave soldiers during the Qing dynasty and later during the Japanese times. They lived in these special houses, each shared by two families, with gardens where children like me might have played. Mei-Ling wandered further, discovering that after the war, these houses were lent to teachers from a nearby university. How wonderful, she thought. These homes helped to protect history by simply being lived in. But time had taken its toll, and the alley was almost forgotten. That was until a few years ago when the city decided to bring it back to life. They named it 321 Alley Art Village, Mei-Ling said proudly. And now artists have made this place magical again, with art, music, and even a little night market. As the sun began to set, Mei-Ling looked around at the beautifully restored houses, now shining under the evening lights. These homes might look different now, she whispered, but they still hold the spirit of the past, and now, they're ready to welcome new stories. And with that, Mei-Ling skipped home, knowing that 321 Alley was no longer just a secret. It was a treasure she would share with everyone she met.